Welcome to IKEA Maratic Education Channel. Today we discuss about job analysis and process of job analysis. What is job analysis? Job analysis is a process of collecting or gathering information about the job. It determines the nature of job and the duties of employee has to perform. We discuss some definitions here. Job analysis is a procedure of determining the duties and nature of the job and the kind of people who should be hired to achieve that goal. So here we are determining the duties and what the job is, and we are also determining the people who should be hired. So it provides to write job description and job specifications which can be utilized in recruitment, selection, compensation, job evaluation, performance appraisal, training and development, career counseling, etc. So job analysis is an important task of HR department. Job analysis is useful in so many ways, so many occasions, so many departments and sections. This can be utilized from recruitment, selection, compensation, job evaluation, performance appraisal. From this performance appraisal, the need of training and development and career counseling of the employees. So in second definition, job analysis is a process to identify and determine the job duties, requirements, and the importance of these duties. Now this author is saying that we should know the importance of duties also. So we determine the job duty, what is the job duty and its importance, how it is important to achieve the goal of the organization. It helps an organization to determine which employee is best for a specific job to do the work efficiently and achieve the goal, and where the employee has to be placed. In other words, we can say that job analysis is used to determine the placement of job and employee. Process of job analysis. The process of job analysis is to prepare a document which contains all the job description, specification related to the work performed, and it has some steps to be followed. We have 5 steps to get the better result. We discuss about these steps now. First is organizational job analysis. Job analysis begins with obtaining pertinent information, the information about the job. So the first step is to get an overall view of various jobs in the organization with a view to examine other linkages between jobs and organizational objectives. So in the first step, we are going to get the information or overview of the jobs, what the jobs we have, and we examine the link between these jobs and organizational job objectives. According to Terry, an author, this is required to know the makeup of a job, its relation to other jobs, and its contribution to performance of the organization. So we get the view of interrelationship between the jobs and their contributions in this to achieve the organizational efficiency and effectiveness. So this total information is collected, obtained from an organizational level. So it is somewhat difficult or critical to know what the performance level organization is looking forward from the job holder and the contribution of the job in the goal attainment of the organization. So it is somewhat difficult to know, to understand the HR department, what the organization is expecting from the employees. So depending upon organizational priorities and constraints, it is desirable to develop the clarity regarding the job. So the job related information, the related information of the job is then used to create an organizational chart. It consists of different job classes, flow charts, flow of job activities, and sharing points of the different job profiles. And the second step in this is selection of representative jobs for analysis. So first we have to understand that we cannot do the job analysis of all the jobs of the organization because it is a time consuming and costly affair. So we have to collect some representative sample of jobs to carry out this detailed job analysis. So for this, we are going to select some people, some jobs from the HR department, marketing department, or finance department. Like this, we select some sample jobs, representative sample jobs from all the groups of jobs or some group of jobs and do the analysis process. And the third one is data collection for job analysis. The information related to different feature of job and the abilities required to execute the job is collected from the organization. So the information of features of job abilities are collected from the organization. How this data is going to be collected? So we have some data job analysis tools to get the information collection of the data. That tools are questionnaire, observation, interviews, etc. We have to take care while selecting these tools because on these tools and the data collection only the whole process of the job analysis is depending. From now we discuss about job description, which is an important step of the job analysis. First, in this job analysis we have job description and job specification. What is job description? It is the nature of job, what shall be done, who has to do the job, where or on which platform he is going to do the job. So we discuss all these things in the job description. So based on the collected data, what we have collected the data, the HR team prepares the job description by defining the task, duties, responsibilities, and it also take into consideration the purpose, scope, and working condition of the job, which are discharged for the effective performance. So it discusses about the where the job is, in which platform, which machinery, and at what time it is morning shift or night shift. So like this, it gives the total scope of the working condition of the job. It provides job title and the name of the designation person to whom the employee has to report. So it gives total information from the nature of the job, scope of the job, the risk involved in the job, to the up to the person who has to report, to whom he has to report. And the last one is job specification. A job specification outlines specific traits a person needs to do the job. So in this job specification, we are discussing about the personality traits of the employee. This is the last step. The last steps involved in job analysis is to prepare the job specification on the basis of collected information from the data. This is a written statement that consists of personal traits of the employee or job holder, like skills, qualities, qualifications, experience, and personality types, etc., which are required to perform the job efficiently to achieve the organizational goal. So this is the process of job analysis. Thank you for watching.